What's going on, guys?
What's up, y'all?
We're back. You know, we've been doing this thing. You know, I like to think that we've been keeping it a bit more consistent than the last time. Would you agree?
I mean, I like to think so.
I mean, 4 or 5 videos deep as opposed to 1. I feel that's better.
Right.
But yeah, so today, you know, we got the Genesis back. I'm sorry, I'm still trying to learn how to use this DJI thing. It's confusing, but yeah, we got the Genesis back. We're gonna go to a local like sticker shop called Namers and get some banners made for the Genesis, the BRZ, both the Mustangs, and the two. Shouldn't have said that. But yeah, we're gonna go.
That's for something in the future.
That's for later.
Yeah, that's for later.
But yeah, we're gonna go get some banners made and bring y'all with us. All right. So we're back.
What's up, guys?
A few days later, they got our banners ready for us over here. You know, I don't know where the hell the sign is. I can't see my phone. But yeah, Namers. We're gonna pick up our banners, throw one of them on the Genesis today. Yeah, show you all the process. Ooh, package acquired. Oh, now we're gonna head to the house and see how many idiots it takes to put on a banner, because we have experience doing this shit, don't we? You remember the TJ Hunt banner, the Hunting Co?
Yeah,
we tore that thing up.
It's mainly right here is when you gotta cut it.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
If you don't cut it along perfectly, it starts. Yeah,
We're gonna get this first try. All right, we'll see y'all there.
All right, what's going on, guys? Back here with another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and put on some banners that we just got.
Hey, smart guy, we already introduced this video.
I know, but
We've been filming it. You're acting like we just started.
I don't know. No, I'm kidding. But here, check.
First, you gotta wash the window. You know the Aki way?
The Aki way.
Yeah, no. So we're gonna see how many of us it takes to put on this banner, because neither of us are good at putting on banners. So this should be fun.
Quite some time ago, we put on a TJ Hunt's banner on his car, and let's just say that was a fun one. I think the main issue, it was big, it was really long. That sounds weird, but what are we doing?
All right, so we think that we have it. I don't know, but low key,
It looks centered to me, to be honest.
I'm gonna be honest. Actually, it looks a little bit too far this way. We might need to slide it over a second, just a hair. All right. I like to think that's perfect, but like the channel, you know, everything must be perfectly ruined. So, you know, even if it's off a little bit, it's
Especially
okay.
when you got 2 clowns doing this.
Exactly. You got 2 bozos. We don't know what we're doing. I mean, you'd think putting a sticker on a car is easy. But meet us, because this is tough. This is like rocket science. I'd rather be doing trigonometry right now. Yep, we're gonna start. Tossing this guy on, see how it goes. All right, so as you can see, we got it on. We got some imperfections, you know, and the Y kind of messed up a little bit. It's a little bit tilted, just a little bit. You can see it's kind of at a weird angle, but what you can see is that we don't do this often. It's all right. But it's all right, because we got 5 more. But for now, I'm just going to leave that one as is, because I've got other cars. I got to practice on. So, yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, it's on. Now we could finally out on the road at car meets, you know, thing. People are going to laugh at us. Oh, well. I don't really care. At the end of the day, you just got to start doing what you want to do, what you love. And I mean, it sounds harsh, but F what the others got to say, because there's always going to be somebody saying something stupid, no matter what. If you're doing a good thing, if you're doing a bad thing, somebody's going to say something stupid. So just do you. Just do what makes you happy, and that's what we're finally doing.
Yeah, if you guys see the banner, you guys see us out there, you know, say hi, check out the channel and everything, check out all the socials and stuff. You know,
Absolutely.
You guys will enjoy it. All right. I mean, subscribe to the second channel.
Yeah, subscribe to the second channel. He runs
the second channel.
Yeah, the second channel is ruined perfectly. It's kind of behind the scenes stuff.
That channel is pretty much what we do before we actually make the main portion of the videos for the main channel.
Just
It's
us
for
being
fun.
stupid.
Yeah.
Literally just us being stupid. But yeah, you already know what to do. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'm gonna make a point to say this because Vincent had said that we haven't said it at all. Turn on that little bell thing. It'll let y'all know.
Notification bell.
Yeah,
Yes.
it'll let y'all know when we post,
Mhm.
so you guys can see the shenanigans that we're up to.
Exactly.
You know, nothing too interesting, but if y'all want to come hang out with us, we'd love to have y'all with us. All right,
Yeah.
y'all. We'll see you on the next one.
All right, later, y'all.
Peace.